Here's a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite prep radio, manual tilting steering column, key fob activated rear windows, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, 3 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. The Truth About Cars proclaims it's staggeringly competent off-road, but it's also an absurdly composed, quiet, and comfortable freeway cruiser. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Hurry in today for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.